Alright, now we'll show you how easy it is to make a recipe. Just start by entering the recipe name here, and we'll make a strawberry banana smoothie. It's a quick, simple recipe. And we'll start out by searching for foods to add to our recipe. First we'll add some frozen strawberries. And we'll choose unsweetened strawberries, and we'll add 5 berries. Then we'll add a banana. And we'll choose 1 medium banana. And finally, we'll add milk, and just to make it unique, we'll add soy milk. And we'll add 1 cup of soy milk. Alright, so let's finish up. This recipe makes 2 servings, where each serving is 1 cup. Now this second line here is optional, and this line describes 1 serving. So for example, if this was a sandwich recipe, and the recipe made 1 serving, you would say here makes 1 serving, and you would describe 1 serving as 1 sandwich. If this was a large soup recipe, you would say makes 4 servings, where each serving is 2 cups. So 4 servings at 2 cups per serving, the recipe would make a total of 8 cups. Alright, let's finish up. We'll write a little bit about the recipe. And the instructions. Alright, now we'll scroll down, update the recipe. And there it is, ready to use. So if we click on it, if I want to edit the recipe further, I can click here on this link. And if I want to add it to my meal plan, I'll select 1 cup, and I will add it to snacks. Just like that, and that's how easy it is to create and add recipes to your daily meal plans.